Good morning students. Today you are going to learn about the construction of a quadrilaterals in geometry. So by using the given measurement, the first work is you have to use the given measurement and draw the rough diagram only. First you have to draw the rough diagram by using the given measurement. After that only you have to start the main diagram. So see the first example number 1, construction of a quadrilateral. When it's 4 sides, what are all the measurements given? So 4 sides and a diagonal means 1 diagonal. Okay, means 1 diagonal. So 4 sides and 1 diagonal also given. So first you have to write given measurement. So what is given? Quadrilateral DEAR. So the baseline DE equal to 6 centimeter, EA equal to 5 centimeter, AR 5.5 centimeter, RD 5.2 centimeter, and DA also 10 centimeters. This is totally we have 5 measurement. So 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Okay, totally we have 5 measurement. And finally, after finishing that picture, you have to find out the area of the shape. Whatever the height, you have to find the height of the given picture and then find out the area of that picture. Okay. Now, before started that one, first work is you have to draw the rough diagram. So, by using the given measurement, first you have to draw the rough picture only. First, roughly you have to do it. Okay. First, you have to draw the rough picture by using your scale and then draw the picture like this. So now DEAR. Okay. So this is the rough diagram. You have to draw the rough diagram and then so you can point out everything. DE, that is the base side. Base is 6 centimeter here. You can mark all the given measurement on that rough diagram. So EA 5 centimeter. Then next AR, that is 5.5 centimeter. RD, that is 5.2 centimeter. Then DA, that is here in this picture, in this diagram, the DA is a diagonal. Okay, that is 10 centimeter. So after finishing the rough diagram, you just see the rough diagram and then start to draw the main diagram. Okay, is it clear? First you have to mark like this. Just see the given measurement and mark all that measurement in that rough diagram. Now let us see the main diagram. You just see the rough diagram and then do it one by one. See the main line, that is baseline segment, that is DE 6 centimeter. Using your ruler and then take the measurement. You can just mark DE, draw the line segment DE, that is 6 centimeter. Okay. DE 6 centimeter. Draw the baseline. After that, by using your compass and then take 10 centimeter and then just draw. You keep the compass on that point D, that is diagonal. DA is 10 centimeter. EA is 5 centimeter. So you just D as center, you take the measurement with 10 centimeter and put one arc like this. Okay. Now, then another side, EA 5 centimeter. Now take that 5 centimeter measurement. You keep the compass on that E. Okay, E as center and another arc. Now, the two arcs cut at the point. That is A. Mark the point as A. Now you just join DA, that is 10 centimeter, EA, that is 5 centimeter. So after that you have to write here 10 centimeter, here 5 centimeter like this. Now one part of the picture is over. You have to draw next another part also. Here see the rough diagram. DR 5.2, AR 5.5. So you take the measurement 5.2. Okay. Now let us take the measurement. AR is 5.5. So now DR 5.2 already we cut one arc. So AR, that is 5.5. By using your compass, A as center, then one arc. Okay. Now the two are cut at one point. That point is R. Mark the point as R. Now you can join the two lines. That is DR, BR and AR. I can write 5.5 centimeter. Here 5.2 centimeter. So the main diagram over. Now let us see the construction for the given picture. Already we finished the rough diagram and then main diagram also, the quadrilateral. So see the first point. So you have to write the construction like this. First point, draw a line segment DE, that is 6 centimeter. Base is 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment DE equal to 6 centimeter. With D and E as centers. Okay, you have to take the D and point D and point E as centers. Draw two arcs. Okay, draw arcs of radius, that is two radius, 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter. That is point D as center. You have to take the 10 centimeter measurement, put one arc, and then point E as center. You take the 5 centimeter measurement and then put another arc respectively. So next point is let them cut at the two arcs cut at one point. Okay, the two arcs like this cut at one point. You can mark the point as A. So let them cut at the point A. Now see the next point. Join DA and EA. After marking the next point, you can just join the DA and EA. Okay. So the next one, with D and A as centers. The first one, half of the part is over. So next, continue the next part. D and A as centers. Draw arcs of radii 5.2 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. That is D as center. You take the 5.2 centimeter and put one arc. Then A as center. Take the measurement of 5.5 centimeter and put another arc. Okay, respectively. After that, let them cut at one point. The two arcs cut at one point. The name as R. So let them cut at the point R. Now you see the last point. Then join. After marking the point R, you just join the two lines DR and AR. You join DR and AR. Now we will get the full picture. Okay. Now DEAR is a required shape. That is required quadrilateral. So the construction is over now. After finishing this construction, you have to find out the area of this quadrilateral by using the formula. Area of the quadrilateral formula, then half into D into D4, that is diagonal. D into H1 and H2. H means height. H1 and H2, height 1 and height 2. Already in this quadrilateral, two triangles are there. So you have to find out that height of the two triangles. First base down and then upside one triangle. So height 1 and H2 and H1 you have to find out. Then after finding this, you just apply all the values. The diagonals already given in the sum 10 centimeter, that is cross line. Half into 10 into H1 1.9. For this sum H1 height 1 is 1.9, height 2 is 2.3. After this one you just simplifying. So just cancel the 2 and 10, that is 5. So 5 into, so here you can add this two number, you will get 4.2, that is 4.25 into 4.2. After this you have just multiply this one, 21.0, just cross it out with 0, 21 centimeter square. This is the area of the given quadrilateral. Okay, it's clear.